Hello everyone, it's a beautiful day. Still winter here. It was 0 degrees this morning, and I've realized this car, the Nissan Bluebird, is having issues. I've got battery issues. I did recharge it a couple of days ago, but if I don't use the car for a few days, battery just dies. It's hard starting and then it doesn't start. So I recharged it a few days ago, tried this morning, no go, no luck. So what I did, I bought another battery. It was on sale. So this is NS60LF LXMF. It's 430 cranking amps on it. This was on sale. Normally the price was 240 New Zealand dollars, but this week it was 199. So I just bought it. Thought probably the battery was about, I think I changed in one of the videos 3 years ago. Normally batteries last in cars in New Zealand about 3 years. Barely you'll make it 4, especially in South Island due to hard winter. So without further ado, let's go change this one. Now, the starting point from here, so we have to tunnel, that's all, we get spaces, we have there, we see what the tunnel was, we just keep it there, and this is right there. So battery's hooked up. I'm gonna start it up, put a voltmeter on to make sure the alternator is charging as well. So before I start it up, just gotta make sure how much we have on the battery. So it's 12.77 volts. Once the car started, if the alternator is working fine, I should be getting around 13.5 or 13.8, something like that. So I'm getting 14.62. That will drop down once the battery is fully charged. It's been sitting in the shop for a couple of months. Needs a little bit of top up. Once it's all topped up, should be around 13.8 something. So at this stage I can confirm the alternator is working fine, it's charging. This is 48 months warranty. So hopefully for next 3-4 years shouldn't have any issues. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.